Okay, this is my... You might see a little bit of Thomas and Friend things in the background, but I'm showing all of this you see right now on the screen.
Okay, let's start from the first row.
So,
First collection.
So this is like whatever. This is like the whatever section. It's like a book. I got this for my teacher. Gave this to me when on my last day of school. Now here is more ornament. We forgot to hang this up for the Christmas before last one. And then here is my remote control Thomas. It doesn't work anymore. I'm sorry. And this is the robot Thomas. Robot Percy, Robot James. This is Mega Bloks Thomas's Mighty Mac. This is Game Thomas. This is Flying the Bull Percy. This is Flying the Bull Thomas. This was from the book fair for my school. I don't know why. I don't really know. This is the Percy whistle.
Stay down, baby. I can't see too much.
This is the Percy. This is the Percy. This is the Percy.
Mm-hmm.
And right here's Thomas stamp. I got it also from the last day of school. And this is the Percy stamp. And they're fun broken off. And now here are some things. This is a Thomas. It broke, the funnel broken off.
Those are from a storybook, right, Felipe?
Yeah, they're
very little.
Storybook. They're very little. And there's another one that's better because that one, the one was broken off. This is the Edward. I just passed through the Thomases. This is the Henry, and this is the Gordon. This is the Gordon that's not too well, but this is the better Gordon. This is the not too well James. This is the better James.
Don't lift it too high, baby, because I can't follow.
This is the better Percy. And this is the not too well Percy. Here we go with Toby. This is a better one than the older one. I don't know which one. Leave a comment below to tell us which one. And say left or right. The one on the left or the one on the right. So here is the Percy.
We already got those, babe. Start on the next section.
Okay, the next section is Trackmaster and some Tony and some Trackmaster too, of course, Gordon.
Don't lift them up, baby, because I can't follow with a camera. Just kind of point them out.
So Trackmaster 2, Trackmaster 1, and Tony. So first we start off with Boko. It's Boko. Boko is a diesel engine, one of the wise ones. And there's Troublesome Truck. This is a
Try not to lift.
Trackmaster, and then this is the black one, and this is Tony, and it costs $4.99. It came with a James, that James right there, next to the Mega Bloks James tender. And there's Arthur, Trackmaster Arthur, and Connor, and then that's Dasher, and this is Edward, James, Percy, Thomas, and Lady. You saw this before on Christmas Day. And there's Lady, Troublesome Truck. That looks like those two ones. And the Troublesome Truck.
That's a special collector, right, Felipe?
Yeah, I only have 1, 2, 3, 4 4 Tommies. And there I have Charlie. I got him when I was little. And there's Gordon. I detailed his buffers a little. This is the Trackmaster 2 Gordon. If you look at his wheels. There's Victor. Here's Victor. That came with the white hat. And here's with, well, actually skipped engine. This is the James that came with this right here. It came with it. It was at the old place if you go to El Paso. And I was actually talking about a real thing in El Paso right now in the last video. And there's with Luke, Blue Troubles in Truck, Thomas from Adventure Begins, Douglas, Mavis, Peter Sam, Green Salty, Molly, Stafford, Talking Salty. I don't know who that is, heard it. Oh, it doesn't work anymore?
Okay, let's get through the Trackmaster so we can pause.
Okay. Can we pause? Okay. There, Molly.
You're at Spencer.
Oh, Spencer, Steven, Caitlin, Dart, Glenny, Thomas has Duke, Red Flannel Thomas. I got them when I was little too. Right. Tom, old style Trackmaster Thomas. See, this Thomas that's next to right here is red. Right here is this one is Thomas the tank engine. Thomas from Hero of the Rails. I say that because I took away his brakes, so it's like my brakes are broken. Ah! He's like thundering down the track. And right here is the Thomas, another Thomas, the newer Thomas that we have today. And this is Christmas Thomas. It's an older Thomas, but I got it in 2011. And then that's Sutter Line Caboose, or a brake band. Connor's Coach. Christmas Coach. Look.
Finish up.